Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to write better prompts in Claude AI for more accurate results in 2026. So if your AI answers feel too vague or inconsistent, learning a few prompt writing techniques can seriously improve the quality of your outputs. The first rule is being clear and specific. Instead of writing something broad like write an article, explain exactly what you need. Mention the topic, audience, tone, and goal whenever possible. One of the biggest mistakes people make is forgetting context. So, tell Claude why you need the answer and how it will be used. For example, you can mention whether the content is for YouTube, business work, studying, or social media. You can also improve accuracy by requesting a specific format. For example, ask for bullet points, numbered steps, tables, summaries, scripts, or checklists. This helps Claude organize the information more clearly. If your request is complicated, don't put everything into one massive prompt. Breaking tasks into smaller steps usually gives better results. For example, first ask for ideas, then outlines, and finally the finished content. Another powerful technique is showing examples. You can paste a sample paragraph or explain the style you want Claude to follow. This helps the AI understand your expectations much more accurately. You don't need to accept the first answer immediately. So ask follow-up questions and request improvements if needed. You can tell Claude to shorten the text, simplify explanations, rewrite sections, or add more detail. One common problem is overloading prompts with too many unrelated requests. Claude performs better when prompts stay focused and organized. Keeping instructions simple often improves accuracy and response quality. And that's how to write better prompts in Claude AI for more accurate results in 2026. Once you start using clear instructions, better formatting, and follow-up refinements, your AI responses become way more useful and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to check out more AI productivity guides and tutorials. Hey everyone!